decorations nearby. Let's see what they can do. The competition is about to begin. Hans has got his beginning face on. All right, and there's the gun. They're off. All right, so we see right away Janet is untangling her lights very carefully. Hans is just getting up in there, just placing them all willy-nilly. I don't know what his strategy is.
He appears to just want to focus on the top of the tree first.
He does have the advantage of the longer arms to get around that tree.
Longer arms than I would have expected. When he gets to the bottom, I imagine he's going to have to do something else.
Yeah, but Janet has that flair. She's got that flair, and she's got that evil look on her face. It's interesting to see when she's getting ready with the menacing tinsel. Well, look at that. She's made a lasso out of tinsel. Oh my goodness. I think there was an ornament on the end of that thing, so it busted open on his head. She strangled Hans, and he's just going to keep going. It looks like. I mean, what's going to change that?
Forehead. That's just. Oh no.
It adds to the Christmas color, all the shiny red.
I don't know how he can still see. He's still got one good eye left, I suppose.
And yet he still decorates. Janice is still going now with these Christmas ornaments. Oh my goodness! That is not a sanctioned. Whoa! These are not sanctioned use of the Christmas ornaments. Janet is down.
She's down, and both of them are making the naughty
Hans,
list
I
next
think
year.
might
This
get
is
penalized here for
ridiculous.
excessive celebration. We'll have to see. My goodness. All right, and Hans is putting. Oh my goodness! It looks like he's been covered with a whole layer of
Tinsel covering what's left of his vision. He was doing a really good job of balancing his tree with only one
clearly
eye.
reveling in her destruction here. Janice, my goodness. And he's, he's electrocuted her! Oh! Wow, that's a new move. The Germans always coming up with moves like that.
Oh!
And Janice is down!
I think she's out
Oh
of
my
this one.